Hello tubes, good day. Well, it's Friday, first day of the big swap meet or auto jumble in Bockhorn, in the north of Germany, and we're here at the field where there are a lot of special cars. Well, for me they're kind of familiar, but I'll tell you what I see. A Citroën Traction Avant, a Citroën ID or DS's. Well, you know this one from last year. I made a special vid of this one. You take an Audi and a cam trailer, you build them together. More of these types here. Nice VW, how do you call it? Feldjäger, Field Hunter. Look at the fabrics, nice old interior. Let's see, let's walk in a bit. Auto Bianchi, A112. Opel Record. Nice old camp trailers. Well, there are a lot of brands here in Germany that make those small camp trailers, or what do you want to call them, RV trailers. Shiny. Even folding camp trailers, as you can see. Small Dutch trailer, Beeld. Let's see, this is the other way around. Rüderchen. Aus Köln, from Cologne. Ooh, nice aluminium frame. Fire man.
Ja, ist nicht ganz aufgeräumt, aber.
Ah, das gibt es nicht. Kein Problem.
So.
Kein Problem. Ah, a big Hano mug. Whoa. Moedermansk. That's a nice tour. From Cologne to Moermansk. That's a nice trip. A few thousand kilometers. Vitamins. Nice warm wine. Warme Wein. What more do you need? Double bed, small kitchen, bit of storage. No biggie again. Well, looks old. I think it's old. Must be old. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. The big shiny ones. Look at that. Magirus. Yeah. Air-cooled diesel engines. Magirus. Oh, from the Netherlands. Old blue plates on them. I like that. That's easy. Balcony. Vanille Viking. Oh, that's nice info. Building time 88 months, 1994-2004. Viking ship Oslo promotion, aluminium by Wiba Bollocks, spare wheels, text, travel, camp, driver, navigator. Ooh, ooh. Woo. Well, this winds will get you out. That's a biggie. And that's solid. Ooh. Hanomag Henschel, etc. Well, don't worry if the road ends. You got your Unimog. Voluntary Fire Department. Schlevenhausen. Orion RV. What's this? An old mobile bank? I think so. Whoa. Whoa. Real big. Air suspension, lower it. Oh. That's 12 meters, 30 meters, 40 feet, 45 feet. Einsatzleitung. Nice bright orange. folding campers or camp trailers. Just open them, lift the walls, the wooden walls with the door included, and bit of fabric.
Hello.
Ah, still closed. Nice and narrow. Nice color. An old Trabi or Trabant. Old East German camp trailers. I think they're called Quack. Barkas 3-cylinder 2-stroke engine. That's a nice hot plate. Ooh. Well, tubes. Make some more vids here tomorrow and maybe the day after tomorrow, as long as the weather stays okay. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.